Hi there kids! Today we are going to make a little origami boat to go with our story. So what I'd like you to do first is put your piece of paper on the table, and then all you're going to do is turn it so that it looks like a diamond. And then you're going to take the bottom point and bring it up to the top point like that, and then press it out so you've got a nice triangle there. In fact, I'll call this a mountain. Now we're going to make half of the mountain disappear. So the way I do that is I put my hand on one side, bring the point over here, over to the other point, slip my hand out, and then I just press that out, and there you've got half of our mountain. Does yours look like that? Okay, now we're going to make the mountain appear again. So you've got to open it back up again, like that. Well done. Next, we take the very tip of our mountain, just one part of it. There's two parts there. I want you to take that tip and I want you to bring it all the way down to touch the middle of the bottom of the mountain. So now we have another diamond shape. Do you have that? Does yours have a diamond shape? Good job. Now all we have to do is flip it over. Okay, flip it over and do the same thing now on this side. Take the top tip, bring it back and touch the bottom of the mountain, press it out, and look what we've got now. It looks like we've got two little mountains, don't we? So what you're going to do now is you're going to put your hand kind of here towards the middle on your finger there. Take the tip on this side and you're going to fold it up so that it points up, up, up to the sky. Okay, and then fold that right there. So it kind of looks like a triceratops or something like that. Does yours look like that? And we're going to do the same thing now on the other side. You take the tip from the other side, fold it up, make it point to the sky like that. And you might have a gap there in the middle, a bigger gap or a little gap, it doesn't matter. So it should look something like that. Does yours look like that? Okay, I think we're ready to keep going. Now what we do next is we take the bottom point here and we take both pieces of paper. There's two pieces there, and you've got to bend it up using your thumbs and make the point there touch right in the gap. That's where you want the point to come, and then you press it out like that. So did you do that? And then the last thing we do is we just flip it up like that, turn it around, and look, you've got your boat. And if you're doing a story, you can draw some of the characters on the boat from the story that you've been learning. What story do you think we've been learning about?